Why is my PlayStation network busy?
Hello there, PlayStation fans. We're here to help you understand a common issue that many of you have encountered, your PlayStation network, PSN, appearing to be busy. In this video, we will go over the possible reasons for this issue and what steps you can take to resolve it.
What does PlayStation network busy mean?
When your PlayStation network shows as busy, it means that your PlayStation console is having trouble connecting to the PlayStation servers. This can be due to a number of reasons, including network congestion, issues with your internet connection, server maintenance or downtime, and high traffic periods.
How can network congestion or internet issues affect PSN?
Network congestion or issues with your internet connection can cause the PlayStation network to appear busy. These problems might occur when too many devices are connected to your internet speed is not sufficient, or there are problems with your ISP, Internet Service Provider.
How can server maintenance or downtime affect PSN?
Sony, the company that owns PlayStation, occasionally schedules server maintenance to improve the performance and security of the PlayStation network. During these times, the PSN may show as busy. Alternatively, unexpected server downtime can also cause this issue.
How can high traffic periods affect PSN?
High traffic periods occur when a large number of users are trying to access the PlayStation network at the same time. This can happen during the release of a popular game or during peak gaming hours. During these periods, the PlayStation network may become overwhelmed and show as busy.
What can I do to resolve the issue?
If your PlayStation network is busy, there are a few steps you can take to try and resolve the issue. 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough to handle the PlayStation network. 2. Limit device connections. If possible, limit the number of devices connected to your network when using the PSN. 3. Check for PlayStation network updates. Sony often announces scheduled server maintenance or reports server issues on their official channels. 4. Avoid peak times. If possible, try to use the PSN during non-peak hours to avoid network congestion. 5. Be patient. If there is a server issue, Sony's team is likely working on resolving it. In such a case, waiting it out is often the only option. We hope that this video has been helpful in understanding why your PlayStation network might appear busy. Remember, internet issues, server maintenance, and high traffic periods can all be contributing factors. Taking a few proactive steps can help you have a smoother gaming experience. Happy gaming, everyone!